This is the report of Group 7. We have Regalado, Borak, and Namia.
Music has a way of improving our mood and relieving stress. But have you ever wondered if there's a way to optimize your playlist to maximize relaxation? In this video, we've created an algorithm that intelligently selects songs to maximize stress relief using a given time frame. Let's dive Let's dive into how it works. First, we start with our collections of 10 special songs. Each one comes with its own profile, not just a title and duration, but more importantly, a specific endorphin value that measures its stress relieving power. Take Save Me, for instance, it delivers 250 endorphins in just 100 seconds, making it incredibly efficient, while Life Goes On requires more time for less impact. This difference in efficiency becomes the cornerstone of our entire system. To solve this, our algorithm used two approaches: greedy sorting for ranking songs by efficiency and dynamic
Now
programming for
comes
optimizing
the clever
leftover
part.
time.
After
This
accounting for
ensures
these
we
full
make the most
cycles,
out of
we're
every
often
second
left with
available.
some remaining time. This is where our dynamic programming approach comes into play. Imagine trying to pack a suitcase with the most valuable items that will fit. That's essentially what we're doing here, except we're packing song into time slabs to the maximize endorphins. So let's see in an opening demonstration. Let's take the action. We should type the 5,000 as we input it, and let's start with the 5,000 second session. Let's watch how the algorithm process this request. So after that, we analyze the 5,000 seconds output. So immediately we see the program calculates as a maximum of 4,200 endorphins. Notice how we optimal sequence begins with one complete cycles of all 10 songs, then strategically adds efficient repeats like Save Me, the appearing twice in the remaining time. The play counts reveal this clever optimization with high ratio songs getting more repetition while using 4,900 of our 5,000 available seconds. In our in our transition to larger session, now let's scale this up to a significantly. Let's type 30,000 as we input this. So as we examine 30,000 seconds results for this extended session, the algorithm fits 9 full cycles perfectly. The remaining time gets filled with optimal combination, achieving an impressive 22,950 endorphins. So what's fascinating here is how efficiently it used every single second of the 30,000 seconds input with a certain high value songs like A Butter and The Black Swan appearing 10 times. So let's now compare both these sessions. So between these examples in a that we run, um, we can observe consistent patterns. First, the algorithm always maximize the full cycles. Then it carefully selects bonus songs for leftover time, the favoriting those with the best endorphin to duration ratios. The top 10 alternatives provide flexibility, showing similar value sequence with a slightly different song distributions. In a closing insight, let's type the quit or let's type the quit whether for a brief 5,000 seconds break or a marathon 30,000 second sessions. This system consistently delivers efficiently optimized playlists. The output demonstrate not just raw numbers but intelligent music selection that adapts perfectly to any available listening time.
Hello everyone. Now let's discuss how a matrix can be utilized in this problem. So imagining having a smart assistant that crafts the perfect stress relieving playlist for your exact free time. That's exactly what this matrix enables. So let me show you how it works. First, we'll build the matrix. So as you can see here, we already have a matrix, which is the song matrix, and this 1 to 10 number is uh, number the numbers of the songs, or the list of the songs, and this is the duration of the song. So this grid is our endorphin optimization engine. Each rows adds another song to our toolkit, while each column represents available time in 500-second chunks. So we will fill it methodically, starting with zeros, which is the no time means no music. And then for each song, we calculate the maximum endorphins possible at every time increment. So next is the pointer motion, which watch how a spring day, which have 500 seconds, creates our first jump at column 500, which is here. um, and then as we add more songs downward, the numbers climb, which is the save me creates multiple small jumps because its 100-second duration fits in tight spaces, while longer songs like Blood, Sweat, and Tears give bigger but less frequent boosts. So see this, the 2450, which is in this, na nasa 3,500 seconds, which is in this row. uh, that's our gold standard, this 2450. That's our gold standard, the absolute maximum endorphins from one complete playthrough of all unique songs. This becomes our reference point of any duration. So now, how do we turn these numbers into an actual playlist? That's where our detective works begin. So let's retrace the steps that built these values. So we start from our target time in the bottom row and work upwards. If a number decreases as we move up, that song was used in our optimal solution, and we claim that song, uh, subtract its duration, and repeat the process with the remaining time, like solving a musical treasure map. And for a 5,000 second session, first we account 5,000 second session. First we account for full 3,250 second cycles, and then for our 1,750-second remainder, we consult the matrix, find the closest time block, and retrace to discover which combination of songs, or perhaps two fire tracks and a butter, and delivers those stress relieving endorphins most efficiently. So uh, we're gonna ask why this works, or how this works. So this mirrors real listening habits, full cycles, your favorite album on repeat, the optimized leftovers, like adding bonus tracks, and supercharge your mood, like alternatives for when you're craving more of Black Swan or less Dynamite, same signs, and different vibes. So next time stress hits, try this and input your free time and let the algorithm craft your endorphin maximizing soundtrack, because fighting loneliness isn't just about hearing music, it's about feeling every second of it. That's all, and thank you.